In this video, I'm going to be showing you some of the mobile features, basically on your phone or tablet, the features that Office 365 offers through Microsoft Teams, OneNote, and another app that I like to use called the Microsoft Office Lens. It's a camera / scanning app. Now, in front of me here, I have the Teams app open, and I have the Teams tab on the bottom highlighted. You can see the courses that I'm teaching this quadmester up. If I click on the top one, just like on the desktop app, it automatically loads the Posts tab for that course. So you can see all the important information that is posted in the course, and if we are in class and you're looking for the meeting to join, this is where you would go. Now, one neat feature of the phone or the mobile app is if you click on in the top right there where it says more, there's another link or another tab that you can open called Class Notebook. And just like on the desktop app, it's going to take you to the Microsoft OneNote page for our course. I've already gone through and loaded that. So let me show you what that looks like. And you can see it looks a little bit different when we are on our phones. I'm using an Android device. If you're using an iPhone or what have you, it will look a little bit different. But the key here, and this is one of the neat features of all the Office 365 apps, is that anything you do on one device syncs onto another. It's connected. So let's say you're checking out Microsoft OneNote, you're checking out the notebook, the class notebook that we have for our course. You'll see this page when you first open it up. Now, I'm going to type in the following, and it might not appear immediately to you guys, but as soon as this note syncs, there will be an update, and this little bit of text that I just added now will now appear on your screens. So let's say you're taking notes on your computer, and let's say you're studying for the test and you don't have your computer in front of you, so you need to check your phone. You could open your OneNote and see that same work there. It does the same thing as Google Docs. It syncs in the same way. One other feature that's really neat, if you look in the bottom left, really the bottom of the page just below the cursor there, if you see that camera second from the left, if you click on that, it opens what's called the Microsoft Office Lens Scanner app. And it's really just a camera app, like the camera on your phone, the normal camera app on your phone. But it's special in that it works like a scanner. So it looks at the screen, or it looks through your camera and sees what's in front of you. And if it recognizes a sheet of paper, a whiteboard, a business card even, it'll automatically crop the edges and format the picture as if it were being scanned on an actual scanner. I'm not going to click that camera here. I actually have the app already loaded separately. You can see it here. And in front of me, you'll notice I have just some math that I wrote down, just a note. If I click on the screen, it automatically focuses the image. And notice that as I twist my camera, as I rotate it, that red outline automatically fits to the outline of the page. So let's click the shutter button here. Let's take a photo. You can see the cropping for this image automatically sets up. I don't have to drag or click anything. I could adjust if I need to. But as soon as I click confirm, you can see here the text that I wrote down on paper is all of a sudden digitized, and it's really easy to read. The resolution is really nice. So I have filters and other features that I can mess around with if I like. If it came out sideways, I could rotate the image. I'm going to click done because I'm happy with the final product here. Notice that I have an option of all these options really for how to save the photo. I'm going to keep it just with the gallery selected because that's going to save the picture to my phone's internal storage. And as that's saving, if I go back to Microsoft Teams, I just have to click on my name, or if I'm working with one of my students, I would just have to open their chat bubble or open a chat with them, and I could actually send that photo real quick. If you click on my name from Microsoft Teams on your phone, you'll see there's a little chat bubble icon that'll open up our chat window. And if you click on the little paperclip at the bottom of the page where you see the little text box, you actually have the option of adding a photo from your gallery. And if you go through, you search through your photos, you should see that note that you just scanned. And just like that, this is part of why I'm asking you guys to do this every day, but just like that, it's very easy for you to share with me the work that you're doing on a day-to-day basis. It's a way to send me photos of your notes quickly, seamlessly, painlessly, so you don't have to go through any of the hassle that you normally would. All right, with that being said, I'm going to get ready for our next video. Cheers.